Well, hello, this is Rosa. Rusted Equations, how are you doing? Bringing to you a quick little meal. It's not going to be a 15-minute meal, but it will be a 30-minute meal. Get your, how many of you, like me, buy this rotisserie chicken? It's great, but it's too much for you, just the two of you to eat. It's just me and hubby. You have leftover chicken? Vacuum pack it, vacuum seal it if you have a vacuum sealer. I vacuum sealed that roasted chicken. It was like not even 2 weeks ago. Okay. In fact, I think I may have put it on one of my videos of the vacuum, the out of air vacuum bags, because that's what I'm using because I love them. I still have my food saver. I'm not going to get rid of them until I use them all, but I prefer out of air because of the quality of them being 7 mil thick. But anyway, get your chicken. So take it out of the freezer the night before. Put it on a towel, the whole frozen bag, so it thaws out in your fridge when you get ready to cook. Separate your chicken pieces. I did already separate most of them, but there was a couple of them that are pretty big pieces. Stuck it in a pot of a little bit of olive oil, and it's got a lid on it because I want to steam it. I don't want to cook it. I'm going to steam it because I'm not cooking or frying the chicken. I'm just basically heating it up is really what I'm doing. Over here, I've got some frozen corn. This is whole kernels, sweet corn from Whole Kernels. We got at the grocery store. And then I took the kernels off myself with my little, let me show you. And I'll put a link of that video because I think I have one on there comparing this. This is a little tool. See, it's got little teeth right in here. And then you just put it on the cob and the kernels come right off. And I freeze the quantity size of what I need of my meal because it's just the two of us, and if it's going to be, we're going to make it for a bigger meal with more people, then I just get 4 or 5 bags out depending on what I have. But what's nice is you make the bags the size that you want for yourself. So that's going to go here on very low heat with the lid. Just a tad of water, just a little bit, not much. But it's on low heat because I want these just basically heat up because they're already cooked. Okay? That's why it's going to be about a 30-minute meal, not a 15-minute meal. So let me just show you. Let me go back. Let me get my, I know I need a hot plate because that lid gets hot. Okay, let me get my spoon. I think I might have to turn down the heat a little bit on this thing. Yeah, I do. Oh, yeah. It's kind of cooked, but I had my heat was still too high. Turned down my heat. Well, this is going to be a little bit of cooked chicken. See that? See those chickens got cooked? I just wanted to steam it. I didn't want to cook it. So when you want to steam it, you do very low heat. I thought I was on low, but it wasn't low enough. So let me just toss this. And as you can see, there's hardly any oil in there because, like I said, I put very little oil. It was just olive oil. Here's one big piece. As it thaws out, cooks a little bit more, steams out, just push it down with your spoon and it breaks it apart. It's really easy to do. Even with my bum wrist and hand, I could easily do it. Okay. That back on top. So we're going to bring you back in about 20-25 minutes. Supper be ready. I am going to add a can of cream chicken soup because I want this to be creamy. That's all you do. Heat up the chicken, put a can of cream soup in there, stir it up, heat it up. Heat up your corn, serve it, and you're ready. Easy peasy. So we'll bring you back when we do the taste test. Well, hello. This is Rosa. Rusted Equations, how you doing? We're going to do a quick one. I mean a quick video. Got some shredded corn, shredded pork that was already cooked. Vacuum sealed it back in August of last month. Okay, this is just a perfect portion for me and hubby. But I volunteered myself to give we're doing a baked potato bar at our bunko group. And I volunteered for the pork topping. So I'm doing one. Put 2 containers. And these are just a little freezer. These are the freezer safe ones. I think I got these at Amazon. Okay. So I'm doing one that's just plain Jane. And then I'm going to do one that's got barbecue on it. Okay. Any bottle of barbecue sauce? I haven't ventured, and I've got 2 recipes that I downloaded that I'm going to make my own barbecue sauce. But it's a lot of work. Not a lot of work, it's just time consuming. Okay. Alright, here it comes. All you do is squirt the sauce. Mix it up. I definitely need some more sauce in here. And I'm using sweet brown sugar flavor. It's actually one of my favorite ones. You can use any barbecue sauce of your choice. Make your own, whatever you have on hand. Put this on some hamburger buns. Make a barbecue sandwich. Put it over a baked potato. Make a barbecue topping baked potato. Or just eat this, just heat this up. And just eat that as a main meal with some side vegetable sides. But look, we are totally done. So whatever the time frame was from the beginning to the end is all it took. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, forgot to. Here's my little photo for my little thumbnail. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, we back. It's ready. Let me show you. There is the chicken with the cream of chicken soup. And here is my corn. This is sweet corn. And man, is it good. So let me pour myself a little bit. We'll do the quick little taste test and then we'll get ready to go eat some supper. I did add just a little bit of water from that can of soup. Some condensed soups, you need to do that. I'm running low on time, so I didn't make my powdered condensed soup. I just didn't have time, so that's why I buy cans, because you just never know. But I prefer my powdered condensed soup mixture over the cans because of all the sodium that they put in the canned soups. So let's do the little taste test. Here's some chicken, cream soup. Hot, 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 hot. That is so good. This is gonna be a great meal to do during wintertime or in the fall. Sweet corn, can't beat sweet corn. And see how tiny the little kernels are? I shook these corn all by myself. Took the husk off. I shook the corn off with my little tool I showed you a while ago. Quick meal in under 15 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Have a good day.